If you're an international student looking for hands-on practical training in a specialized trade or industry, then Vocational Education and Training, known as VET, is perfect for you. Victoria is home to over 1,100 VET providers, many of which are government-owned technical and further education institutes, more commonly known as TAFEs. From automotive courses to nursing to hairdressing, there are various trades you can prepare for through TAFE and VET courses. VET programs are designed to give you career-ready skills and to boost your employability. You will graduate with a certificate and/or diploma qualification in a shorter period of time than if you were to undertake an undergraduate degree, meaning you'll save on your tuition fees and you can start your career sooner. Alternatively, if you'd like to attend university in the future, VET can be a great pathway to higher education. It will help you gain extra experience, and your qualifications may fulfill certain prerequisites when you're applying for an undergraduate course. There are TAFE providers located all across Victoria, so not only will you be able to find a program that suits you and your future career goals, you can choose a city or country location that suits your lifestyle. The state regional centres offer a relaxed way of life, close to beautiful natural attractions with a lower cost of living and welcoming close-knit communities, while Melbourne, voted the world's friendliest city, is a safe, vibrant and multicultural city. Whichever course you choose, your VET institution will have state-of-the-art facilities to provide you with the work-ready training you need to launch a successful career. Simulated laboratories, gallery spaces, training restaurants, salons, automotive workshops, or Australia's first TAFE-based hospital. The options are endless. Are you ready to find your perfect course in Victoria? Use the Study Melbourne Course Finder to start searching today.